Hi, this is Rohit Parmanla, student ID 2174629. So this code is regarding Conway Life's game. So let me run the code first. So after running the code, I'm printing the matrix here itself, the numpy array here itself. So I gave the array length has numpy array length has 20 cross 20, and the initial value of probability is 0.4, and this is how I got. So let me explain how I created the numpy to 2 cross 2 numpy array. So here I'm using np.random.choice with values between 0 to 1 excluding 1, and the size s cross s, as we are passing the s as a size, and the probability whether it is 1 or 0 based on the choice that is selected between 0 and 1. So this is how I'm creating a 2D numpy array given the size and the probability, initial probability, and the default probability is 0.1. After creating it will return the 2D numpy array to where it has called. So I'm creating a 2D array, I'm saving the board, and after that I am updating the 2D array using advanced function. So here I'm using the advanced function using the Conway rules. So what I'm doing is I'm using a convolution of selecting or counting the lives near a value. So here I'm taking a numpy array as neighbor count, and here what I'm doing is I am counting the main life is 0th value, and the values beside it is -1 above and below, and it is taken as 1. So what I'm doing is I'm shifting the values and counting if there is a life or not. So after shifting that, we are using we are applying the Conway's rule to update whether there are any people around a person. So the first thing is we are checking if the cardboard value is 1, if the person is alive, and I am checking if there are any neighbors around him, that is if it is less than 2 or if it is greater than 3, then it will be the person is dead or the life is dead, and updating the cardboard. Same, the second one is if there is no life, and if there are neighbors count or neighbors life count is greater than 3 or equals to 3, sorry, then a new life is created and updating the board. So that's what I'm doing. After updating the values and lives, I'm returning the new board. So after returning the new board, what we are doing is we are doing the same thing for about t steps. So the t is also defined here, the default value is 1. So we will apply the same rules for the t steps. The t steps are defined or called when we call the function. So after that, the whole or complete updated board is returned. So we're using the board and displaying the board. For displaying that, I am using a display board function. So we are using like this, we are using a empty string and a square, solid square, and an empty square for printing the whole Conway's life game. So here what I got. So as I'm increasing the two-dimensional array, we are getting a different or interesting life patterns in the 2D array. So this is the Conway's life game program. Thank you.